Do you know what my favorite place in the world is? It's right there, it's the beach. It's stress-free, it's sunny, and then there's video editing. Confusing, sometimes stressful, and sometimes it can feel like you're swimming against the current. Today we're gonna be talking about the AI tool that can make editing feel more like a day at the beach. You clicked on this video because you wanted to know 15 ChatGPT prompts, and so those will be in the description below. I didn't want to just regurgitate them out loud because you can read, you can see them, and you can copy and paste them, and you can use them and adapt them to what you're looking for. There's one prompt though that I didn't include in the list that has actually saved my life last week. It saved me hours and hours of troubleshooting. Last week I was exporting a video for a client. I was in Final Cut Pro just editing a video like normal. I kept getting this error message in Final Cut Pro that the share had failed, which means it wouldn't export. I did not know what to do other than to ask ChatGPT. So I did. I'm trying to export my video in Final Cut Pro and it keeps saying error message.
2 seconds later.
So the error message indicates that it's a problem with frame 16,805. I would have never guessed that. You can find the problematic frame by dividing 16,805 by 30, which gives you approximately 560 seconds, or about 9 minutes and 20 seconds in the video. And I went to 9 minutes and 20 seconds. I moved the problematic effect, and what do you know? The export was successful. That was one of the most powerful examples for me in the last week, how ChatGPT has completely helped me as a video editor. You really wouldn't think that ChatGPT can help you with video editing until you get into it and realize how many questions you can ask ChatGPT. I hope that was helpful. If you like these types of videos, I make videos every 2 weeks on video editing, storytelling, YouTube, creativity. Yeah, subscribe if you like these types of videos, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.